This is 570 West Mount Pleasant Avenue, home to Regal Bank. And today we're going to take a look at their elevator. Based on the looks of this building, we might have a vintage one. Here we go. Ooh, it's a nice building. Ooh, there's the elevator. And we have, yo! We have an Otis Lexan. Yes. 2. Yo, this is awesome. Yo. We have an Otis Lexan, ladies and gentlemen. This is awesome. Oh, someone pressed 1. Are you going upstairs?
Mm-hmm.
All right.
Why, you missed the elevator?
Yep. I also love elevators. Have a good day.
You too.
Back to 1. Fortunately, the buttons are not holding up that well. I hope that did not activate. And like 301 South Livingston, it has up and down buttons. We'll go one more time. Otis. And this doesn't have a bumper either. Back to 1. Nice. There's your capacity plate. And this might have been a Nixie tube. Nice. Very nice for an Otis Lexan. There it goes. And that's it.